Dear students, let us continue our learning on the course Automata Theory and Computation. We are in the 5th session of the Module 4. In the starting 4th session of the Module 4, first we went with the decidable languages and their proof in the session 1. In the second session, we learned the architecture of the Turing machine. In the third and the fourth session, we have seen some of the examples of the Turing machine. Let us continue our repo of learning on the examples for designing the Turing machine. So in this example, we see some more additional problems on the Turing machine. So myself, Dr. Suresh Adi from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Kendra Engineering College, Bantwal, Mangalore. The example which is discussed in this video is designing the Turing machine for the language 0, 1 power n, 2 power n, 3 power n for which n greater than or equal to 1. So 1 power n means the number of ones what we will take should be equal to number of twos should be equal to number of threes. So the minimum number of ones or the twos or the threes should be 1. The condition is n greater than or equal to 1. So means minimum I should have a single 1, single 2 and a single 3. That is the minimum case. Then maximum I can have of any number. Maximum I can have any number of ones, twos and the threes. Now let us learn to design the Turing machine for this case. So first take me an example for this one, then we will learn the design of the machine. For each designing of the Turing machine, if you take an example, then it will be much more clear. So let me take the example as I will start with 3 ones, 3 twos and the 3 threes. So that is minimum if you take 3, then the machine design will be absolute 1. If you take 1 or the 2 for your input, then the design it may not satisfy all the cases. So now I will start with the start state as Q1. So first, the logic here what I will do is, first I will take the first symbol and I will replace with the blank. Then I will go for searching there for the corresponding one. So this one I made it as a blank and I will change the state. Then I will go for searching the 2. Once I find this 2, I will replace with the blank and I will go in search of the 3. So next I will go in search of the 3. So once I will get the 3, again I will check whether I reached my end. How I will check if the next symbol is 3 means I have not reached the end. If I reached the blank means I have reached the end. That condition I will check. If I reach the end means I will go to my final state. If not, again I will come back. So again I will take the leftmost one. How I will decide the leftmost one? The next to the blank will be the leftmost one. Again that one I will make it as a blank. Next I will go in search of that 2. The next 2 I will make it as a blank. I will go in search of the 3. The next 3 I will go in search of the blank. Again I will check whether I reached the end. If I have not reached the end, again I will go back. The next one I will make it as a blank. Then the next 2 I will make it as the blank. Then the next 3 I will make it as the blank. So next again I will check my end whether I reached the end. Yes, I reached the end. The next one is blank. So now I will go to the final step. This is the logic what I am applying for in this design of the Turing machine. Now let us consider it step by step. So let me start with the start state as Q1. So Q1 on 1. So Q1 on, the first possibility is Q1 on 1. So Q1 on 1. Q1 is my state. 1 is my input symbol. So Q1 on 1, I will change the state to Q2, indicating that I have just seen the 1. And I will replace with the blank and I will need to search for the 2. 2 is there on my right side, so I will make a right movement over there. So now 1 is replaced with the blank, then the state is Q2. The left out is 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and the blank. So now what I have? Q2 on 1. So Q2 is meant for matching the 2. So now for the 1 I won't do anything, just I will move to the right side. Q2 on 1 I won't do anything, that is Q2 as it is, 1 as it is, and I will move towards the right side in search of the 2. So again, so Q2 on, this will be blank, then it is a Q2 on, so I will make the right movement. So 1 will come here, Q2 will come here, Q2, the left out symbols are 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and the blank. So now what I have? Q2 on 1 again. Q2 on 1 is already defined. I need to make the right movement. Next what I will get? A blank 1, 1. Next is a Q2. The input, left out input is a 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and the blank. So now I got Q2 on 2. So for the Q2 on 2, so the first 2 I will replace with the blank. Q2 on 2 I will replace with the blank. So that is I will change the state to Q3, that is I need to search for the 3, that is the meaning. Then this 2 I will make it a blank and I will go make the right movement over there. And I will make the right movement. So now what I have done? For the 1 I matched the 2. So now what will be my input now? Input is a blank 1, 1. Then the first 2 I made it as a blank. Then the state I changed to Q3. Then left out is a 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and the blank. Blank at the end. So now what I have? Q3 on 2. So now I need to define the transitions for Q3 on 2. So now if I go for designing the transition for Q3 on 2, so this will be Q3 on 2. So this will be Q3 as it is, because Q3 is meant for matching with the 3. So Q3, 2 as it is, I won't do anything, I will just make the right movement. So now if I make the right movement, what happens? Q2 on 2, I will just make the right movement, it will come here. Again what I will get? Q3 on 2. Again I will make the right movement, so it will come over here. So in the next iteration what I will get? The first one is a blank 1, 1. Next one is a Q. Next one is a, so for the 2, first 2 I made as a blank, left out is a 2, 2. Next will be Q3, left out is a 3, 3, 3. So now I will have a Q3 on a, this is Q3, right? So next I have the Q3 on a 3, Q3 on 3. Q3 on 3, what I will do? So Q3 I will replace with the Q4, meaning that I have seen the Q3. The first 3 I will make it as a blank and I will make the right movement, so that I will check whether I reached the end or not. If I reach the end, then I will go to the final state. If I have not reached the end, then I need to go back. If I reach the end, then I need to go to the final step, or else I need to go back. So now what happens? So this will be written as a blank 1, 1, again blank 2, 2, again blank, and the Q4, and this will be 3, 3. Then the next will be the blank. So now Q4 on 3 I am getting. So Q4 on 3 means I have not yet reached the end. I need to go back till I get my leftmost one. I need to go back till I get the leftmost one, for which I will write the transitions as Q4 on 3. So this is for your back going. So I will change the state to Q5 I won't change anything. 3 I will retain it as it is, and I will make the left movement over there. So now what happens? So now this will be written as a blank 1 1, again blank 2, then this will be Q4 on 3 we have replaced with the left movement. So this will be 2 again, Q5 on blank I am getting. So next will be 3 3. So next Q5 on blank, I need to go back. That is Q5. What is the next transition? I need to get a Q5 on blank. I need to get. So Q5 on blank, Q5 on blank, Q5 as it is, Q5 as it is, blank as it is, and I need to make the left movement over there. So now after this iteration, what will I get? Blank 1 1, again blank 2, Q5 2, blank 3 3. So Q5 on 2 now. So Q5 on 2, what to do? I need to go back. Till I get my leftmost one. I need to go back till I get the leftmost one. So now again what I got? Q5 on 2. Q5 on 2. So this will be Q5 as it is. Q5 as it is, 2 as it is. I need to make the left movement. So now, so this Q5 again it will come here. Q5 on 2, again left movement. Q5 on blank I have already defined. Again I need to make the left movement. So next I will come to a scenario in between the 1. That is Q5 on 1 I need to design. For the Q5 on 1, what was the scenario? Blank 1, Q5 1, blank 2 2, blank 3 and the 3. So now Q5 on 1 now. So now I completed 2. So to mark that one I will change the state. So Q5 on 1. Q5 on 1. I will change the state to Q6, marking that I have completed the back traversal of the 2. So Q6 I will change 1 as it is. I will make the left movement. So this again. So now what happens now? So this changed to blank. Q5 I changed to Q6. States are input will be 1 1, blank 2 2, blank 3 3. So now again what I have? Q6 on 1. So Q6 on 1, again I need to make the left movement. I don't know how many ones are there. So how I will decide it is the leftmost one? Because the next to the leftmost one, on the previous letter of the leftmost one is the blank. So till that place I need to keep on going. That's why it is a Q6 on 1. I need to make the left movement. So how to make the left movement? Q6 as it is, 1 as it is, but I need to make the left movement. So now if I make the left movement, so what it is, what I will get? Q6 here, blank 1 1, blank 2 2, blank 3 3. So now what I have? Q6 on blank means I reach the left end. Once I reach the left end, I need to reset back to my initial state. What was my initial state? Q1. That is your Q6 on blank. I need to reset to Q1 blank as it is, but this time I need to make the right movement. So because 1 is on the right side. So now what happens now? This will be blank. Again it is a Q1 1 1, blank 2 2, blank 3 3. So now Q1 on 1. So Q1 on 1 is already defined. Q1, what is Q1 on 1? I will change the state to Q2. 1 I will make it blank and I will have the right moment. So that is now what happens after this 1 will be made blank. That is a B blank, again blank. Then the change the state to Q2, 1 blank, blank, then after 1 we have the blank, then it is 2, 2, then blank, 3, 3. So Q2 on 1 is already defined. What is Q2 on 1? Q2 on 1 I need to make the right moment. So I will make the right moment here. So now I will get Q2 on blank I will get. So Q2 on blank is not defined, that we have to write again. So Q2 on blank, what to do? Q2 on blank, Q2 on blank. So Q2 as it is, because Q2 is meant for searching the 2. So we need to go to right. So Q2 as it is, blank as it is, but I need to make the right moment. So now what happens? Q2 will come over here. So Q2 on 2 I will get. So Q2 on 2 what to do? Change the, so now what is my result? Blank as it is, blank, 1 blank. So next will be Q2, next is 2, 2 blank, 3, 3. So now what I have? Q2 on 2. What is Q2 on 2? I need to change the state to Q3 and I need to make it as blank. So now what is my result? Blank, blank, 1 blank. So this 2 I need to make it as a blank again. So this will be blank. So change the state to Q3. So Q3, what is left out? 2 blank, 3, 3. So what I have? Now Q3 on 2. Q3 on 2 is already defined. So what to do? Q3 on 2. Q3 I need to retain as it is. 2 I need to retain as it is, but I need to make the right moment. So now what happens? Q3 will come here. So in the next right moment, Q3 it will come here. So some of these steps I am, since they are a repetitive one, I am not writing, but for your main exams you have to write those steps. So now what happens? Q3 on blank. That is my next one. So that is not defined. So now we have to define it. So what to define? Q3 on blank. So what to do for Q3 on blank? Q3 on blank. Q3 as it is. Q3 as it is, blank as it is, but I need to make the right moment. So now it will come to this location. So now Q3 on 3. So this is already defined. What to do? Q4. The next iteration of this one will be blank, blank, 1, blank. Again one more blank. Then it is a 2, blank. Next will be Q3 on 3. So Q3 and 3 is defined. What to do? Q4 and you have to make that 3 as a blank. So now this 3 will be made blank. Change the state to Q4. Change the state to Q4. So now what will be my result? Blank, blank, 1, blank, blank, 2, blank, blank. Then it is a Q4 on 3. So again Q4 on 3. What to do? You have to make it as a Q3, Q5, 3 as it is, but you need to go back. So this will be repeated again. So this will be repeated again. It will go till the blank again. Again change the state to Q1. Again you replace it. So once all the iterations are done, so now what will be left out for me? It will be first 3 ones will be made blank. Next 3 2s will be made blank. 3 2s will be made blank. Next 3 3s will be made blank. So now what will be my state? Q4. So now what is the next case? I told the tape is of infinite length. So this is for 3 1s. This is for 3 2s. This is for 3 3s. All the things will be made blank. So now what happens? Q4. This case, it is your previous iteration. In the next case what happens? This is blank. I will come. with Q2. Q2 on 2, I will make it as blank. Again I will come here. Q3 on 3, I will make it as blank. So now what is left out? Q4 on blank I will get. So for the Q4 on blank, Q4 on blank. So now I completed all. Where I need to move? I need to move to the next state. What is my next state? Q4 on blank. I need to the final state. What is my final state? Let me call my final state as a QF. Change to the state QF blank as it is and make the right movement. So this is how we design the automation. For designing, this is how we design your Turing machines. For designing your Turing machines, it is very important that you should take an input string of some sufficient length. Only then you will get your absolute answer. So now let us go for the representing this Turing machine with the help of the table and the diagram. So let me go with the diagram first. First I start with the Q1. So Q1 I will start. So Q1 is my start state. So first Q1 on 1. Q1 on 1. 1 I will replace with a blank. Which side I will make a movement? Right side I will make a movement. To which state I will go? I will go to the state Q2. Fine. Then next one, Q2 on 1. So Q2 on 1, I won't go anywhere. Q2 on 1, I will retain in the same state. So what it will be? 1, I won't replace anything. 1 retained as it is. I will just have the right movement over there. Then next one, Q2 on 2. Q2 on 2. So where will I go? I will go to the state Q3. I will go to the state Q3. Q2 to Q3 I will go. Q2 to Q3 I will go. So Q2 on 2. So 2 I will replace with the blank and I will make the right movement over there. I will have the right movement. The next one, Q3 on 2. So Q3 on 2. So it is in self flow. I will go to the Q3 only, right? That is a 2. I will retain the 2 as it is and I will make the right movement over there. Then next Q3. Q3 on 3. Q3 on 3. I will go to the state Q4. I will go to the state Q4. That is Q3 on 3. 3 I will make it as a blank. I will make the right movement over here. I will make the right movement. Fine. The next case Q4. Q4 on 3. Q4 on 3. I will change the state to Q5. I will change the state to Q5. This is for your Q4 on 3. So that 3 I will retain as it is 3. I will retain the 3 as it is. And which side I will make the movement? On the left side I will make the movement. Fine. Then next Q5 on blank. Q5 on blank. So that is a blank as it is. Blank. I will retain the blank as it is, but I will make the left movement over there. Then next Q5 on 2. So next is Q5 on 2. For Q5 on 2. Q5 on 2. 2 as it is, but I will make the left movement. Fine. Then next Q5 on 1. I will change this. I will go to the state Q6. Q6. Then Q5 on 1. So 1, that 1 I will retain as it is, but I will have the left movement. Then again, next Q6 on 1. This is a Q6 on 1. So what to do for Q6 on 1? Q6 on 1. Q6 on 1. 1 as it is. Don't change it, but make the left movement over there. Then next Q6 on blank. Q6 on blank, I need to go to Q1. I need to go to Q1. Again, that is a Q6 on blank. blank I need to retain as it is, but I need to make the right movement over there. Change the state to Q1. Fine. Then next one, left out things. Fine. So Q6 on blank we have done. Next one is a Q2 on blank. Q2 on blank, where it was a Q2 on blank was a blank and the right movement. So Q2 on blank, so here, so blank, so this blank I need to retain blank as it is, but I should have the right movement over there. The next same way it is defined for your Q3 also over there. Q3 on blank. Q3 on blank, what to do? Q3 on the blank, that is here I will write. Q3 on blank, blank, I will retain the blank as it is, but I will have the right movement over there. Then next, Q4 on the blank. So now here, so Q4 on the blank. So Q4 on the blank, blank as it is, but have the right movement over there. Change the state to your final state. Let the final state be QF. Fine. So this is your diagram for the Turing machine. This is your diagram for the Turing machine. That is a Q4 on blank. This is a Q7. Q7 and we will go to the, sorry, Q7, it is QF. We will generally write it as a QF, marking it as the final state. Okay. So this is our transition diagram. If we want to write the transition table for this one, if I want to make the transition table for this one, how the transition table will be written. Fine. So now for the transition table, so let me write the transition table here. So what are all the symbols we can have? Input symbols can be 1, or it can be 2, or it can be 3, and one more we have used is the blank. So in some textbooks they use the lowercase b, or in some they use the uppercase b. It is left to you, whichever you want you can use. Fine. Then the first one in this case is, in the first we start with the state number 1. The state number 1 is Q1. We start with the Q1. Now we are in the state Q1. So Q1 on 1. So what to do? This 1 is to be replaced with a blank. I need to make the right movement. I need to change it to the state Q2. Fine. Then next, it is at the end we will get Q1 on, at the end we will get, next will be your Q2. So Q2 on here it will be Q2 on first Q2. Q1 is my start state. Then Q2 on 1. So 1 I will replace the 1 as it is. Then have the right movement. State will be Q2. The next on blank have the right movement. I will change the state to Q2. Change the state to Q2. Then next Q2 on 2. So 2 I will replace with a blank. I will have the right movement. Change the state to Q3. So now what is my next state? Q3. Q3 on first one is 2. So 2 I will replace with the same 2 as it is. Have the right movement. State will be Q3. Then blank have the right movement. Change the state, return in the same state, that is Q3. Then on 3, so 3 what to do? Make it a blank. Change the state to Q. Before that one have the right movement and change the state to Q4. Next will be our Q4. on 3. So 3 as it is, have the left moment but change the state to Q5. Q4 on blank, what to do? I need to move to the final state. Blank as it is, have the right moment but change the state to QF. QF is my final state. QF is my final state. Then next Q5. Q5 on first one is a blank. So blank here. So blank, retain the blank as it is, have the left moment, be there in the state Q5. Fine. Then next for 2, retain the 2 as it is and have the left moment, be there in the state Q5. Then next on 1 change 1 as it is, don't change the 1 but have the left moment, change the state to Q6. So now what is the next state? Q6. Q6 on first 1. So 1, don't change the 1. 1 you retain it as it is. 1. Have the left moment. Have the Q6. So, but on blank what to do? Blank you retain the blank as it is, but have the right movement, but change the state to Q1. Change the state to Q1. So now what is the new state we got? Q7. Q7 is our accepting state. So no new transitions were allowed. This is our accepting state. No transitions were there. Fine. So this is how the transitions will be written for the, this is how the Turing machine transitions will be written. Fine. So I hope it is clear. So the problem we have solved 1 power n, 2 power n and the 3 power n. So now in this case we designed the solution for n greater than or equal to 1. If my question is n greater than or equal to 0, n greater than or equal to 0. So in that case what is our scenario? So it will be on blank. Q1 is our start state. So Q1 on blank we need to go to final state. Q1 on blank we need to go to the final state. How it will be done? Q1 directly on blank. If nothing is there, then I need to move to the final state. What is the final state? It will be QF blank as it is, have the right moment. So this will be done in place of these Q4 to blank. In place of this one, Q4 on blank we are going. In place of this one, in place of this one, so we will do along with this one. So this is for your other cases. Along with this one we will define even this one, that is Q1 on blank we will go to our final state. So this is how we design the Turing machines. Fine. If you have any doubts on this session, anyhow in your online classes we will clear your doubts. So this is our transition table for the previous example what we have taken. Fine. So here on blank we need to go to the final state, that is Q4 on blank we will go to our final state. Final state is our Q7. Final state is our Q7. Fine. So now these are the instantaneous description, means the moment for the Turing machine. For the input 1 1 2 2 3 3, we start with the Q1. Q1 on 1 we will make it as blank, change the state to Q2. Q2 on 1, just move to the next state. Q2 on 2, make the 2 as the blank and change to the state Q3. Q3 on 2, you just keep moving, make it blank. Q4 on 3, change the state to Q5, have the left moment. Q5 on blank, left moment. Q5 on 2, left moment. Q5 on blank, left moment. Q5 on 1, change the state to Q6. Q6 on blank, again you set to Q1. Again you repeat this operation. Q1 on blank, I will Q1 on 1, make it blank, change to Q2. Q2 on blank, just move right. Q2 on 2, you make it as blank, change the state to Q3. Q3 on blank, move to the right. Q3 on 3, make it blank. Q4 on blank. Now you go to the final state. Your final state is Q7. Your final state will be Q7. That is, from your start state we reached our final state, means this will be get accepted. If it is not the case, then it will be get rejected over there. If it is not the case, then it will get rejected. Your input string will be get rejected. Fine. So this is how we design the Turing machines. Fine. The references for this presentation are taken from the textbook KLP Mishra, N. Chandrasekharan, 3rd edition, Theory of Computer Science, PHI 2012. Thank you.